Leans on him going into that turn, keeps his Yamaha ahead of the KTM. Maintaining that 4th position. Face full of roost. Watch this. Hey, how you doing? Right, Herlings does get good drive this time. Can he scrub, stay lower? Well, he can, but Seewer still beats him to the rut. This is for 4th place. Jeremy Seewer approaching Seewer turn. Remember last year, folks? Right, trying to go the long way round, carrying that momentum. On the inside, you've got single in, single out. It's the shortest route through. The joys of making a bad start. We get to see a fantastic race out of it. But when you're the rider on the receiving end of it, it's frustrating. Just as the number 84 gets down the inside of Seewer, chucks it in there, stays up on the pegs. How demonic was that? Herlings up into 4th in one swoop. Watch this, up on the pegs to that point, then sits down. One thing on his mind,